Alright, today we're gonna work on rolling these fenders in. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. And the purpose of doing this is if you want to stick some big old fat wide tires on here like I'm going to. I got some 18 by 10s that I'm gonna stick on, and I'm gonna need to clear this right here so it doesn't chop inside the tire. And this doesn't pertain to just this car here. You can do it, I mean, this goes for all these, any type of vehicle that has metal fenders, obviously. I'm not sure what to do to the front yet, but I got this thing on eBay, I think it was, for, I want to say like 50 bucks or so. And all you need is that, and this just get you, hell, I think I paid 15-20 bucks for this off Amazon. Heat gun, because you want to heat the fenders there as you're doing it, so you don't crinkle and crack your paint. And it's a slow process, but I'll show you how to do it. Let's go. Alright. You see how I got it adjust there, because you want to do a little bit at a time as you're bringing that inner lip in this way. And you'll feel it get looser, and that's when you'll know you'll need to adjust your arm up and your tilt in, apply more pressure as you're going. And really, you don't need to go all the way down, because your tire, when it comes up, you know, you're only going to be getting about the top quarter, I'd say. I only go to about right here, right where the fender's body line starts to meet. And just roll it back and forth like this, a little at a time. Make your adjustments when you need. Heat it up a little bit more. So you're going to keep the pressure against it there. You can kind of be a little aggressive with it, but you'll feel it Apply some more heat. Make it more pliable. You gotta be careful you don't want to bubble your paint either, especially on it's got a real nice paint job. However, this one's dated. I can remember when this car got painted. I was like 14 years old maybe. Back when the previous owner had it, ran around with my older brother, Tyler. So you don't need to go in just as much as you need to, depending on how wide and how big a tire you're putting in here. You know, obviously if you tub it, probably don't have to do that, but I'm not tubbing it. So that's feeling pretty good right there. And as you can see, the fender's still all right. So I didn't do no creasing or nothing. But that's about all there is to that. It's pretty simple and pretty self-explanatory. And how to set this tool up all depends on, you know, your lug and your lug pattern and how many you got. But it just bolts right onto your hub there. And I'm doing it now because I don't want to risk tearing the threads up on my 5-lug swap. I'm gonna be doing that in the next video. And then after that, we're putting the suspension on. I ain't gonna swap this rear end or nothing. I'm gonna keep these upper and lower control arms on there. They're just factory ones for now. It's already got the anti-sway bar on the back. So I'll be changing the axles and the gear oil, and then start saving up for some good tires, and then I'll be able to put the wheels and tires on and drop her on the ground for the first time since I bought her 2 years ago. But life happened. Alright, I guess it'll be the end of this little short video. Thanks for watching. If you ain't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, because without that, I mean, I ain't gonna go nowhere. But I need you. I need all the support I can get in this. And I got some other big news coming up from, I'll wait and talk to them about when we can announce it. But I'm pretty excited about it, and whenever I get more details on that, I'll let y'all know on that and when it is. And finally things are going pretty damn good, and because of all you guys. Thank you.